Hey guys, it's Lindsay from the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I want to show you today how I'm going to locate my ceiling joist so I can hang a floating swing from it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to figure out which way your ceiling joists run. So I peeked in my attic and I know that my ceiling joists run this way. Okay, so why that's important is because when you're looking for those ceiling joists with your stud finder, you're going to run your stud finder perpendicular to the way the ceiling joists run. Okay, a few things you're going to need for this little project is a good stud finder, and you really want a stud finder that marks where the beginning and the end of the stud is, so you can make sure that you're in the center of the stud. You want a pencil, you're going to want a drill, and of course you want the hardware that you're going to install in the ceiling. So once you've gathered these things, once you've determined which way your ceiling joists go, you're ready to start your project. All right guys, so I know my ceiling joists run this way. I have my stud finder, so if my ceiling joists run this way, I'm going to take my stud finder and pan perpendicular until I find the ceiling joist. Okay, right there it's telling me is the center of the ceiling joist. Now, once I locate with the stud finder where it is, I always think it's a good idea to go back and tap on it. If you tap on the area around the ceiling joist, obviously it's going to sound more hollow. Okay, and when you're hopefully when you're on where the stud finder says is the ceiling joist, it's going to sound different. So I'm going to do that just to make sure. Okay, so I determined that's where it is. So now, before I go and I make a huge hole with my bolt, I'm going to take the smallest drill bit that I have and I'm going to slowly drill up just to make sure I am in that stud. So now that I know where the stud is, I'm going to take a really small drill bit and I'm going to drill up here, and I'm going to hope for the best that the actual ceiling joist is where my stud finder said it was, okay? All right, that's it. Thankfully, I hit the ceiling joist, and the way I know that is because once I got through the wood drop ceiling, I could feel some wood behind it. And that's it. That is how simple it is to find a ceiling joist. I hope you've learned something from this. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.